Good morning, students. So, in the last class, we have discussed about sum to n terms of an arithmetic progression. So, let us start with the exercise 1.3. The first question it is find the sum of the following arithmetic progressions. So, he has given the first question. Let us solve this one. So, he has given 2, 7, 12, so on to 10 terms. That means we have to find the sum of this particular AP up to 10 terms. So see here, solution 2, 7, 12, so on to 10 terms, 10 terms. So now see here, A which is equal to, here A is equals to 2. Then D which is equal to 7 minus 2 it is 5. D which is equal to 5. And then N which is equal to 10. N which is equal to 10. Now we have yes N which is equal to N by 2 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So this is the standard formula. Now substitute the value of N, A and D in this formula. Yes, 10 which is equal to N by 2. What is N here? It is 10. So we get 10 by 2 into the bracket. So now 2 times A, 2, A it is 2 plus 10 minus 1 into D it is 5. So let us simplify this. Yes, 10 which is equal to 10 by 2 it is 5, first term. So 2 ones are 2 5s. Now 2 into 2 it is 4. The bracket 4 plus 10 minus 1 it is 9. 9 into 5 it is 45. So here, yes, 10 which is equal to 5 into 49. 5 into 49. Yes, 10 which is equal to, we get 245. So this is the final answer for the first sub question. So pause the video to note it down. Okay. The next question it is minus 37, minus 33, minus 29, so on to 12 terms. So we have to find the sum of first 12 terms of this particular arithmetic progression. So see here. Here A which is equal to minus 37. First term it is minus 37. Then D which is equal to A2 minus A1 minus 33. Minus of minus it becomes plus. So minus 33 plus 37. So D which is equal to 4. 37 minus 33 it is 4. And then what is the value of N here? N which is equal to 12. It is clearly given up to 12 terms. So now we have yes N which is equal to N by 2 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So substitute in this formula. Yes 12 which is equal to 12 by 2 into the bracket 2A into A. What is A? Minus 37. So we get minus 37 plus 12 minus 1 into D. D it is 4 into 4. So now let us simplify this. Yes 12 which is equal to so it is 12 by 2 will give us 6. So 6 inside the bracket. 2 into minus 37 will give us minus 74. Then see here. 12 minus 1 it is 11. 11 into 4 it is 44. Plus 44. So minus 74 plus 44 will give us minus 30. S12 which is equal to 6 into minus 30. S12 which is equal to, we get minus 180. So this is the final answer for the second sub question. Pause the video to note it down. 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, so on up to 100 terms. So we have to find the sum of first 100 terms of this particular AP. So see here, first we will write the given information. So here A which is equal to 0.6, A which is equal to 0.6, and then B which is equal to 1.7 minus 0.6. 1.7 minus 0.6 will give us 1.1. 1.1. So this is the value of common difference. Now what is the value of n here? It is 100. And n which is equal to 100. So let us substitute in the standard formula. We have Sn which is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Let us substitute in this particular formula. Yes, 100 which is equal to 100 by 2 into the bracket 2a. What is a here? It is 0.6. So 0.6 plus n minus 1 into d. N it is 100. So 100 minus 1 into d it is 1.1. So now let us go for the next step. See here. Yes, 100 which is equal to 100 by 2 it is 50. Then inside the bracket, so 0.6 into 2 will give us 1.2. So it is 1.2 plus 100 minus 1 it is 99. So 99 into 1.1. 99 into 1.1. So now, yes, 100 which is equal to 50 into the bracket 1.2 plus 99 into 1.1 will give us 108.9. 108.9. Then now add these two. So yes, 100 which is equal to 50 into the bracket. So how much we get now? We get 110.1. So now yes, 100 which is equal to, so 50 into 110.1 will give us 5505. So this is the final answer for the third sub question. Pause the video to note it down. So here A which is equal to 1 by 15, and then D which is equal to 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 15. So let us simplify this. So the LCM of 12 and 15 it is 16. Then here it is 12 5s are and 15 4s are. 5 minus 4 it is 1. So after simplifying this we get 1 divided by 16. And then what is the value of n here? N which is equal to 11. N which is equal to 11. So now we will have to find the sum of first 11 terms. We have yes, n which is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Then yes 11 which is equal to, So it is 11 by 2. 11 by 2. 2a. What is a here? It is 1 by 15. So 1 divided by 15 plus n minus 1. So it is 11 minus 1 into d. D it is 1 by 16. So let us simplify this further. S11 which is equal to 11 by 2. 11 by 2. Inside the bracket 2 by 15. 2 by 15 plus 11 minus 1, it is 10. We get 10 by 60. So here this 0 and this 0 get cancelled. S11 which is equal to 11 by 2 and then 2 by 15 plus 1 divided by 6. 1 divided by 6. Now simplify this. S11 which is equal to 11 by 2. 11 by 2. So here the LCM of 15 and 6 it is 30. 30. Then 15 2s are 30. Then 2 into 2 it is 4. 4 plus 6 5s are. So it is 5. So now S11 which is equal to 11 by 2 into 9 divided by 30. So it is 3 3s are 3 10s are. So 11 into 3. 11 into 3 it is 33. Then divided by 2 into 10 it is 20. So 33 divided by 20. So this is the final answer for the last question. So with this we have completed the first main question. So pause the video to note it down.